don't know about you guys, but I hate when my cylinder gets dirty. Oh man, look at that. Just tons of soot, powder, residue, all that good stuff. Take some hoppies and a green Scotch Brite, and then make sure you're doing it flat. Rub it down. This is the exit part, the front part of your stainless, anything stainless that you have. And look at that, comes right off. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. See the difference? Let's do this side down here. Take it, run it, rub it up with the hoppies on there. Nice and easy. And you know what? You'll get your cylinders looking new as ever. Look at the guys cutting the grass out here. Told them to wait until I was done filming, but you know how kids are. Alright, look at that. Rub it down. Look at that. Everything gone. So, just a quick tip I thought you guys might be interested in while we're out here cleaning our Revolver. Until next time.